China's June factory activities expand as COVID-19 curbs ease. China's manufacturing facility activities extended in June, for the first time due to the fact that February, as government lifted COVID lockdowns in foremost towns which include Shanghai. Official facts from the National Bureau of Statistics (NBS) confirmed that Manufacturing Buying Managers Index (PMI) rose to 50.2 in June from 49.6 in May. Forecasts prepared via anticipated the index to be 50.5. With COVID-19 lockdowns imposed on essential cities such as Shanghai being returned, China's manufacturing unit sports confirmed a signal of reviving. However, headwinds persist, along with a subdued belongings marketplace, weak customer self-assurance, and fears of habitual waves of outbreaks. Today's NBS numbers have been encouraging to see, although production slightly underwhelmed and expectancies had been for an development given the easing of lockdown restrictions, City Index senior marketplace analyst Matt Simpson informed. A sub-index for manufacturing stood at 52.8, the very best given that March 2021. New orders also improved for the primary time in 4 months. Even though the manufacturing zone persisted to get better this month, 49.3% of the group's suggested orders have been insufficient, mentioned Zhu Hong, senior statistician at NBS. Soft marketplace call for is still the main trouble going through the producing industry, Zhu added. Some corporations have confronted a squeeze in their profit margins, and relatively big operating difficulties. Analysts expect a in addition rebound in China for the one-third area, despite the fact that they assume the professional GDP target of around 5.5% for this year will be tough to acquire. This surge of economic sports will likely preserve the momentum into July, as further relaxation of mobility limit takes vicinity, Pinpoint Asset Management chief economist Zhang Jiwei advised. Nonetheless, China is sticking to the zero-COVID policy stance. I suppose this indicates the financial growth will probably remain underneath its capacity before the policy is in addition comfortable. China took a wonder circulate Tuesday to cut quarantine times for inbound tourists to 7 days from 14 days in centralized quarantine facilities. The step lifted marketplace hopes of China's shift to any other COVID-19 approach which can fee much less financial harm. However, President Xi Jinping mentioned zero COVID continues to be the most monetary and powerful coverage for China.